Sheesh, it's raining outside, that is.
Yeah, how so? Now, we don't have nothing to do outside, but inside the house. Well, I think you're bluffing, Foghorn. Let me check the phone. It's probably stormy, but it was cloudy. Yeah, Radioshi, I know it's pretty stormy. So guys, what are we gonna do today? I don't know. We better think of something. Yeah, Tinky Winky bored. I'm bored too, Tinky Winky. You know something, guys? What I like about the rainy day, we used to play indoors. We have, yeah. It wasn't luck, but this luck is good. The more luck gets good, have more luck, having friends, then another luck. No doubts, no stress problems. Kids with autism always felt so good. And make the people go, ah! What? What happened? Guys, we got a problem. We got a serious problem here. Oh, calm down, wacko. What is the problem anyway? I think we're having a tornado warning. Pardon? I said we are gonna have a tornado warning. Ah! What's wrong, Mario? I'm afraid of tornadoes. Mario's afraid of tornadoes. Tinky Winky, will you stay out of it? My brother Luigi's scared of ghosts. That's why he's afraid, not me. Let me get down. Mario, I don't think tornadoes are vicious. Aren't they? I say, aren't they scary, that is? I don't think so, Foghorn. I believe that tornado is real. Oh, that makes sense. Well, I think we need to find a way to prove that the tornado wasn't gonna hit us. Yeah, like, who knows where Kevin Hart always did this stuff? Kevin Hart? Yeah, Kevin Hart. Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna prove that this tornado would hit this area again, so hold on, let me get my hat. Well, I hope you aren't being such a scaredy cat someday. Well, I will, Red Yoshi. I will. Sheesh, what's his problem? I don't know about that wacko. He needs some serious issues. Hey, Pichu, how's it going?
Oh, hi, Rosebud. I'm just drawing a picture of the hamburger because he always steals hamburgers from McDonald's.
Wow, that is cool. Like, do they have lots of names?
Well, they have all those names that main characters of it, like Ronald McDonald, Birdie the Early Bird, and Grimace.
Oh, I see.
Hey guys.
Oh, hi, Mario. Hey, Mario, what's up?
Well, I just want to stop by and tell you that I'm having a tornado warning.
Don't worry about that. We just want to be safe downstairs. Yeah, right? We don't have that one anymore.
Okay, if that tornado comes here, you make sure you be safe downstairs.
Okay.
I'm being serious, guys. I can't stand another day working like you guys. I just don't understand.
I mean, this storm better get out of here tonight. Cause I'm always born on Thursdays.
Do you think he's bored?
I think so. I believe. Guys.
What is it, Red Yoshi? Come inside the tent. We got something that will protect us from the tornado. Really? Yes, come on. What do we have to? My boyfriend is like a genius. Right. Why are we under the cover? Because we're here for the Tornado Protection Program. The what? The Tornado Protection Program, you silly goose. We are here to protect ourselves from the tornado. And we got something that's better than the shelter. Indeed, tornado socks. I just don't get it, guys. How are we gonna use those socks to protect ourselves from the tornado? That's ridiculous. Well, I say that's a good question, boy. It's the only way to get in from the tornado attack. That's the way it matters, that is. I bet this will work for the tornado. And when it comes, it'll be like, OMG, I'm out of here. Tornadoes wouldn't say that. Well, how so? Go away, tornado. You ain't gonna deal with me. I'm not scared of you. Hey, it worked. It worked, guys. It worked perfectly. Hooray! Alright. Yeah, this protection program will stop us from that mean vicious tornadoes. This tornado wouldn't have backs to the storms like the thunder sounds of the clouds. Well, if it attracts them. It's the sound of the tornado watch that's on TV. Well, it's a good thing we're in our NT thunderstorms mattress, huh? Right, Maria? Oh, shoot.